I'd like to welcome you to our Griffin, Georgia facility, where we'll do some manufacturing of custom fabricated parts as well as some small production items. We're going to take you on a tour here to show you what our manufacturing capabilities are. All right, one of the things we're going to show you here today is going to be our powder coat system, and we have a conveyor system that runs around. We're hanging the parts on there. These are heading into the spray booth, where in the spray booth they'll have the powder applied to it and then be ready to go into the cure oven. This here is our FMS system, our storage tower for a lot of the sheet metal and plate that we do use for laser cutting. It has 20 shelves of storage capacity, up to 3 truckloads of material. These here are 2 Mazak HTX machines fed by the FMS system that stores that material. Capabilities of cutting aluminum, carbon steel, and stainless steel. This is going to be one of the Trump lasers that we have. These are automated with a LiftMaster system, and they actually have larger table sizes, 80 by 160 tables. So it allows us to cut some longer and wider material than most of your lasers that are out there. This here is a couple of our robot stations that we have. Allow us to teach the different parts that we do, and then we save the fixtures and mark them with the customer name, the part number. All of these allow us to store those programs right into the robots to be called up at a later date. Over here we're doing some bending of some different parts. These are actually going to be panels for an enclosure. We're also utilizing a lot of the programming that's in there to do the repetitiveness that's required. Majority of this will also get formed, but some of the items may go straight to welding when the time comes. We have the ability not only to do MIG welding, but also TIG welding. We have a number of different parts that there's a little bit of volume to, that he's actually doing some TIG welding to. And again, we're taking all these parts that have been laser cut and formed by us, and then also joined together and welded. These here are some rings that we've rolled, and then it looks like they've been put together like some wagon wheel spokes with a hub in the middle. It's going to be part of an overall fabrication that goes to one of our very good customers. Here again is another example of a pretty complex fabrication. You've got a lot of structural members to this, but some other brackets and things that have been laser cut and formed. Lots of dimensions that we have to make sure that are met. A lot of inspections along the way. This customer has very high quality expectations, and we're able to meet them.